Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best slide scanner that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kodak Mini Digital Film and Slide Scanner. The Kodak Mini Digital Film and Slide Scanner, but don't let the compact size fool you. It's still a highly useful and highly effective little machine for your simple slide scanning needs. The LCD screen measures 2.4 for clear viewing, while the one-touch navigation makes it easy to breeze through to achieve your desired results. If easy operation is what you love, you'll also enjoy the super straightforward setup, which is almost non-existent, allowing you to get to work immediately and enjoy the wonders of this model. If your slides and photos show signs of wear and bleaching, the image enhancement features restore them to their former nostalgic glory. Moving on at number 4, we have the Kodak Mobile Film Slide Scanner. The Kodak Mobile Film Scanner is the undisputable choice for the best slide scanner if you're looking for results while also ensuring excellent value. Unlike its competitors, it has a hard, sturdy cardboard construction to ensure lightweight convenience. It works by using your smartphone to scan the image from a negative slide, and considering you've always got your phone with you, this means you can do it whenever the need strikes. There's a free app you can download for scanning, and through this you can also edit and share with friends and family to jumpstart memories you think they've all forgotten. At number 3, we have the Magnasonic All-in-One Film Scanner. The Magnasonic All-in-One Film Scanner is an affordable way to create high-quality JPEGs of your old photos. It works with 35mm, 126 kpk, 110, Super 8, and negatives, which should cover almost all old photo file formats. One thing we really like about this scanner is how easy it is to use. The menu is well laid out and it has just a couple of simple buttons on top, meaning that anyone can use it without too much instruction. You can view your images on the vibrant 2.4-inch LCD screen before you save. Plus, it has a 128 megabytes built-in memory, so you can save around 100 photos without an SD card. At number 2, we have the Rybozen Mobile Film and Slide Scanner. If you're not looking for professional quality copies of your old photos, the Rybozen Mobile Film and Slide Scanner is a great product. It's designed to be a fun way to view, edit, and save old photos on your smartphone. Of course, because of this, it's not capable of producing high-resolution images. The foldable design features a built-in backlight that shines through the image and makes it larger so you can capture the image on your smartphone. This crude technology doesn't allow for accurate color reproduction, but it's great fun. It also comes with a free app that allows you to edit your photos before you save them. And finally at number 1, we have the Zonoz Fluorine Monosulfide 1 Slide Scanner. If you need a scanner under $100 while still ensuring excellent picture quality, the Zonoz Fluorine Monosulfide 1 is a great option to bring into your studio, but more importantly, into your life. It's simple to organize and set up, and doesn't require a computer or any software to operate, so you can scan your 35mm slides to digital images with no hassle. The 22 megapixels output is one of the sharpest around, while the 2.4 color display gives you the opportunity to view the results to ensure you get the most perfect scan you can. It works quickly, taking only seconds to scan a slide, and the onboard memory gives you a convenient place to store everything. If you ever need additional space, there are ports for SD and SDHC card readers, which is especially useful if you've got decades of slides ready for conversion. The TV connector port is also useful to display images, and makes for an excellent tool to have at birthdays, retirement parties, or Christmas gatherings. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.